Here's some easy ideas to help you save money, okay? Number one, automate savings. So set up automatic transfers to your savings account right after you get paid. Number two, use a budget. So basically track your income and expenses to identify areas where you can cut back. Number three, eliminate unused subscriptions. Review and cancel any subscription memberships that you don't regularly use. Number four, cook at home. Meal prep and cooking at home instead of dining out can save you significant amount of time and money. Number five, shop with a list. Always make a shopping list to avoid impulse purchases and stick to your budget. Number six, take advantage of sales and coupons. So look for discounts and use coupons when shopping. Number seven, limit impulse buys. So wait 24 hours before making an unplanned purchase to see if you still want it. All right, number eight, use cash or discretionary spending. Okay? So basically, withdraw a set amount of cash for non-essential purchases to help control spending. All right? Number nine, buy generic brands. Opt for generic or store brands instead of name brands to save money, because you don't want to try to impress anybody. Who cares? Number 10, set savings goals. Define setting specific savings goals to motivate yourself to save consistently. And by incorporating these simple strategies into your routine, you're going to save easily. You're going to start saving more money than you ever did before.